Morning students, welcome to the virtual class of Information Technology of class 9th. We were doing unit 2 data entry and keyboarding skills of part B. Second topic, use typing software, part 2. In this video we will learn basics of touch typing and we will do two practice lessons also. Today we will learn how to type W and O keys. Both the keys are typed with the ring fingers. Type W with the ring finger of your left hand sliding from S. Type O with the ring finger of your right hand sliding from L. Always keep in mind that when you press any keys of the top row and the bottom row, your finger should always place on your home keys, that is ASDF and semicolon LKJ. If you are going to press W key with the help of left hand ring finger, it is on the S, then by pressing the W after your finger should be kept on your home keys. That is, it is going to be on the S key again. How to type Q and P keys? Both the keys are typed with the little fingers. Type Q with the little finger of your left hand sliding from A and type P with the little finger of your right hand sliding from semicolon. Typing with C and comma keys. Both keys are typed with the middle fingers. Type C with the middle finger of your left hand sliding down from S to C and type comma with the middle finger of your right hand sliding down from K to comma. Type with V and M keys. Both the keys are typed with the index fingers. Type V with the index finger of your left hand sliding from F. Type M with the index finger of your right hand sliding from J. Typing with B and N keys. Both keys are typed with the index fingers. B should be pressed with the index finger of your left hand and N should be pressed with the right hand of your index finger. Typing with X and full stop. Both keys are typed with the ring fingers. Type X with the ring finger of your left hand sliding down from S. And type full stop with the ring finger of your right hand sliding down from L. As you can see on the pictures also. Typing with Z and slash keys. Both the keys are typed with the little fingers. Type Z with the little finger of your left hand sliding from A, that is our home key. Type slash with the little finger of your right hand sliding down from semicolon. Typing with inverted commas begin. This key is typed with the little finger of the right hand. Typing with shift key. We use shift key when we need to write a capital letter while typing small letters. We know we can write the capital letter with the help of caps lock key. But we have two shift keys on the keyboard. One is from the left side and one is from the right side also. For example, if we want to type S, we press the shift key with the little finger of the right hand. If we want to type P, we press the shift key with the little finger of the left hand. While using the shift key, Ensure that the caps lock key is not on. This figure shows that different keys pressed by different fingers of the left and right hand. You have to memorize all the keys should be pressed by which finger, little finger, ring finger, middle finger, index finger or pointer finger. You should memorize all the keys. Kindly see the picture very carefully. From the left hand, home row keys are ASDF. We all know that. The little finger of the left hand keys should be pressed by Q, A and Z. Left hand ring finger W, S and X. Left hand middle finger E, D and C. And similarly, you can see all the keys. Let's practice. This is your practice session third. You have to do it very carefully. And this is a practice session 4. Type the following words in double line spacing to practice the bottom row of the keyboard. Do practice all the keywords and memorize all the keys of your fingers very carefully. Thank you.